Hey my sweeties, it's Sarah. Today I decided to play with the Morphe 35V palette. They call this the Stunning Vibes palette and I certainly see why. These colors inspired me to do this soft, romantic, petal pink eye look today. I feel like this palette is great for daytime or nighttime looks because it mixes a lot of light nudes with more bronzy nudes and exciting, deep, rich colors that can be fun to play with also. Stay tuned if you want to see this palette in action. First up, I'm gonna go in with the shade Triced right here. So I just basically packed the color all over my lid, kind of just blending it out around the edges. Alright, so up next, I'm going in with the shade Seduced. And then I'm just gonna fan this color around my eyelid in like a circular motion. So with a small fluffy brush, I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called Go Nude. And I'm going to use that shade to kind of soften the edges and blend out all the colors we put down before. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Addicted. And I'm just using that to add a little bit more of the shadow to the outside of my eye. Alright, and with the same fluffy brush, I'm going to go back in with the shade Triced that I put in first. And I'm just going to put that underneath my eyelid. Just kind of very lightly dusted underneath. Alright, so now that all the shadows are put down, I'm going to cut my crease with some Tarte Shape Tape. Alright, so on the lid, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Heartbreaker. Alright, then over top of that, I'm going to use this shade right here called Three Little Words. And I'm just going to pat it on my lid using my finger. And I'm going to concentrate it towards the center of my eyelid to brighten it up even more. And then I'm just going back in with the shade Triced and just blending out the edges so everything just is seamless. Alright, and then I'm going to go back in with Three Little Words and I'm going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone. Oh my god. So normally I would go in with black right here to darken it up even more, but today I'm not going to add any black because I want to keep this look very light and pink and kind of sexy, not as like nighttime, more of a daytime look. And that also means that I'm not going to do a cat eye today, but you can of course add one if you want to, it's completely up to you. Now I'm going to go in with the Benefit They're Real mascara. And on the bottom lashes, I'm going to be using the Benefit Roller Lash mascara. Okay, so I just put some wispy eyelashes on. So now I'm ready to go onto my lip. Today I'll be using the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade Jeffree Who. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for what you want to see me do next. I'll see you all next time for more makeup and madness.